I have been a speed student since my UG, sir. I wanted to do surgical gastro. I had to watch videos, sir, from Speed App, from where the questions are being asked in the GTs, in the QBanks. You will get an idea like these are the questions. So, and most importantly, the explanations beneath the questions. Those are really very important. There are few questions in the explanation. They highlight the important parts.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Soham Saha for scoring a topmost rank of 484 in MCS Surgical Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So thanks for sparing your valuable time to share your experiences with us and also to the students watching this. Thank you for that. And can we know a brief background about you from where you started till date, what all you have achieved?
So I completed my undergraduation from Bardhaman Medical College from West Bengal. Then I completed my MS from SNMC Agra.
Great.
Yes, sir. Right now I'm currently doing my bond posting, sir.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Great accomplishment and achievement. Wonderful and nice to know. Thanks for sharing.
Yes, sir.
And can we know what super specialty you're interested in?
So I am specifically interested in surgical gastro, sir.
Very
Yes, sir. Let's hope for the best. Like it turns out.
Yeah. Good choice and great workup for that. And can we know, what preparation strategy you were in? What did you do? How did you prepare? Can you share something on that to help you achieve this rank?
Yes, sir. I appeared in the last NEET during my after my MS with my final year MS exams. What I understood was the pattern of the questions which are being asked is totally from the textbooks, especially Bailey and Love and Sabiston, sir. So this time, what I tried to do is I revised the Bailey and Love and Sabiston as much as I could, and I solved QBanks, and I almost gave test every at an interval of 2 days, all GTs.
Very good.
I was very rigorous. I was rigorously giving GTs, and I could see the improvement as well, bit by bit, and that's how my plan was. Just giving GTs and seeing how to retrospect and see where I'm going wrong, which area I'm lacking, and that is how I went about it.
Great. Now, what was the last? Can we know what was your last score for last NEET?
So my score was around 3,000, sir.
So it's a huge jump, more than.
Yes, it's all praise the Lord, sir. It's very. I was humbled back then, but right now, sir, I'm looking forward to taking a seat this year. Hopefully, I get what I want.
Excellent. You will. So, how many questions you were able to answer in this exam?
Sir, I answered around 247, sir. I answered around. Sir, I left 3 questions, sir. I left 3 questions. So I'll just like to say one thing. Like I tried to, while I was appearing in the GTs, I tried to retrospect. Like I thought of going in a two-way approach. At first, like I am solving less number of questions in which which I have doubt. I am leaving them aside. But my scores were not improving, sir. So when I started going aggressive on the paper, it's like my score drastically improved. So I stick to that, sir. That I'll go aggressive. And sir, in your videos as well, you also say that you have to be very aggressive on the paper to have the topmost rank, sir. So that is how I went about it, yes, sir. I left, sir, 4 questions this time. 4 questions, if I'm not wrong. Other than that, I answered everything, sir.
Great, doctor. Now, about the paper, what do you feel, according to you?
So I'll say that the paper was good as in, sir. It was very like the normal NEET SS. If you see the recalls, it is more or less the same, sir. Few questions were like a bit difficult, especially the CTVS part, sir. I'll say. Other than that, sir, most of the questions were like the GT questions only, sir. But the CTVS questions were a bit tricky, sir. They went onto the depth, sir. Other than that, sir, we solved those questions in GTs as well, sir. Yes, sir.
Good to know.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for sharing. And who introduced speed to you, and what was your experience of speed for this exam
So
preparation?
I have been a speed student since my UG, sir. Yes, sir. And like I have visited your class as well in Kolkata, sir. You came, and I listened to your class, sir. And after that, it was a long process, sir. When I knew that if I have to do, I wanted to do surgical gastro, I had to watch Batan sir's video. So I watched sir videos, sir, from Speed App, and that's how I knew speed beforehand since my.
It's mean to say it's not new to me. I'm part of it. Good to know. So, which year you are attending our UG sessions in Kolkata?
So 2019, if I'm not wrong, 17 or 18, I guess.
Okay,
Yes, sir. During my final year, I was there. Yes.
nice to know.
Yes, sir.
Really nice to know. And now, what is your message to the future aspirants?
So I'll say put your hands down and just read Bailey and Love and Sabiston. That is the only message I like to give them, sir. There are few questions where if you are not reading Bailey, then you won't be able to answer, sir. It's very simple as that. If you are not reading Bailey and Love, I'm not saying line by line, at least see the important topics from where the questions are being asked in the GTs, in the QBanks. You will get an idea like these are the questions. So, and most importantly, the explanations beneath the questions. Those are really very important. There are few questions in the explanation. They highlight the important parts. They take it from the source. They mention the page number as well, and it's there. So you have to go read Bailey and Love and Suggestions. So that I understood this pretty well after giving the exams.
Okay, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they stood by you from day one till date. They helped you to achieve what you are today.
So I'll really like to thank my parents, my sister, and so I'll it's all in God's hands. Like He made it to this is beyond my scope, sir, to answer. He made it. He made this happen, sir. All praise to Lord Shiva, sir.
Okay. We wish you once again all the best and all the success for a great and amazing career.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Gastroenterologist, and best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the best.